guys, it's Chris. I'm back. Hey guys, does the screen look cloudy to you? Hmm. It looks cloudy from this side, but don't ask me how to fix that because I don't know. I have set myself up for failure today. I took, and this is a palette that hasn't been done. It's one of the new Tarte ones. This one is called Gilded. That's that's what it looks like. Okay. Somehow, okay, this has come up, this palette, and y'all know I was not happy with this the first time I used it. Somehow I got to figure out how to put these together somehow. I don't know how it's gonna work. I really don't. How am I supposed to, put these two together? I will, but I mean, you've seen crappy looks from me before, so I guess it doesn't matter. People are saying right now that nobody cares about anybody that's on YouTube talking about, I don't know, how it's going out of style. People don't know what people want. I don't know if you've seen any of that, but I just am going to let that go and just keep doing what I'm doing. And if they ever, close it down or do whatever, then that's what they do. But right now, we're going to worry about getting this Tarte in this Dior. And I don't know how to do that. But I can start on that. Oops, that's dirty. What is this? Oh, that's this. Crap. Alright. I'm going to go in with this Blend Bunny into... Ooh, I didn't think about that. Please, please no. Oh, God. I think this is... You know what? If you really need to know the shades on here, please, please go online. I, I, I can try afterwards. I mean, I can try if you want me to. But I'm not sure that's such a good idea. I'm just not good at those. It seems like I always get them wrong. How can you get one wrong that's in the middle when you have like a six pan? How can you get one wrong in the middle? I did that with the a Charlotte Tilbury. I did that once with her, and I'm like, how do you do that? And look yourself in the mirror. It's not even the same. It's terrible. But I have an idea what I can do on this. I do have an idea that it's going to take just a little bit of both of this, and hopefully you guys know my things don't always turn out, but we will see. I think it's good to try. And when this came up, I'm like, I'm not doing this by myself. No way. I was going to pass this on, I don't know to who, but let me see how I do today. I paid how much, I can't even remember how much these are. I just know they're expensive. Alright, I put the first one that's here, which is not Bronze Beauty. You can't tell me that's Bronze Beauty. That's got to be Elevate. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to take this, okay, this bronze, we have bronze shadow in here. We're going to take the bronze one. I don't know what we're going to do with it yet, but I have an idea. Okay. And I'm sorry, I got to take the plastic off of this one when I wasn't on camera. It actually came off, no problem. And it was pretty good. So maybe the next one will be better, and I'll have it on caught on camera. I just put that in the wrong shade. Shit. Okay. That's the wrong shade. Well, it happens. Yeah, I was talking to my friend Tammy. Well, I wasn't talking to her, but I was talking at her. Maybe that's the more important thing. And I kind of was wondering what she was still interested in, but I didn't have to wait because she actually posted uh, like a screenshot of what she'd want. The bad thing is even though I would not order what she got because it's just not my style, I would spend probably the same amount of money on other things just like her. Yeah, that's how it would be. I'm supposed to be doing bronze, dumbass. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm getting a little. Okay, I'm getting nervous because I'm not gonna say fixing. I'm about to put that blue shade somewhere. Holy crap! Yeah, no. Okay, maybe I can even try and use two shades of on there. Okay.
Hey, Mom. Yeah. Is it okay if we put a bandage on? Yeah, for you. Alright.
Do you,
How big is our room?
hey, do you want me to do it?
Aren't you busy right now, Mom?
Oh, I'm on. I'm being recorded. I'm on record.
It's okay, Mom.
All this is going to be on there. I'm sitting here looking like I'm picking my nose. Okay, well, if you need me, I'm right here.
I love you, Mom.
Huh?
I love you.
I love you. Ah, no. That's one thing. I know. Y'all want to try pushing pause again? We could see what happens, but I mean, we pretty much all know what's going to happen if it's going to happen. You want to wait till, say, like the mascara section, maybe? Maybe? Okay. Maybe we'll do that. We'll pause then. Anybody that's new, yeah, we have a little bit of a problem. We've got certain things that we can and can't do, so they've really changed their whatever you want to call it. I think I'm right with the lady that I heard this from. Okay. Let's see. Alright, we got this little bitty one. Where did that come from? That is not supposed to be there. How? Oh, I cannot do another one. Oh, no. Okay, I can do this. Okay. Here's where I'm going to insert the there's not enough on here. I'm going to try and put a blue where I was going to put it last time, and I'm trying to see if that works. We will see. Bob found some of my clothes. I was super excited because, you know, all I wear is the thrift store stuff, and he was out in the garage and he found like a bunch of my clothes in somewhere, and this is one of them. I can't show you right now, but it's about Chester Bennington. He was the lead singer of Linkin Park, if you didn't know. He, you can't say it that way. How do you say it? He unalived himself. Yeah. 2017. Yeah, so it's been a while. Okay. This, what is this doing here? I, it's screwing up everything. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm really, really trying. I want this to work because I really want this to work. I paid a lot of money for that palette, and it's just oh man, what on earth did I put on top of that? Because whatever it is messing everything up. It was this. Hmm. I think, guys, that it was stuff that I put all over the lid. That regular looking mat is what it looks like. I'll feel it with my finger in just a second. Because it's dried down. I mean, this is not going anywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Oof. I'm gonna have to fix it. Okay, let's see. Um, that's the one I want to use, and I think we can use this. Ooh, wait. Let's try this. Is this the one that looks black, even though it's not? It is. Damn. Oh, I cannot catch a break today. I'm sorry, guys. Everything I'm touching is turning to caca. So I'm trying. All right. I'm going to go ahead and try this one. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I know I'm getting message after message. I did not miss that at all. That ringing and the stuff. I had even gotten to the point where I forgot about it because I didn't have the phone wasn't turned. I didn't know the phone wasn't turned on. It showed that everything was there on the screen, but it was not working. So, and I'm curious. You know how I mentioned that it's supposed to leave enough on there for you. It's supposed to leave enough any phone you have to call 911. You're supposed to always be able to, no matter how dead your phone is, you're supposed to be able to call 911. Well, mine did not. So, I don't know. I would have had, I would have told them don't come, but yeah, it was. Okay, let me do this. Okay. Oh man, I give it. I mean, I've never, I've never Like, totally just said, I'm trashing it. I don't care. This might be the one. Okay. Alright. That doesn't help. Okay. Wait. No. Still trying to figure out where I'm going to put the blue. I think I know. Okay. Okay, this is the yeah. Okay, after this, I'm going to put the blue on, and we're going to call it quits, because this does not look good. I look completely crinkly. I'm trying to think. Oh, I had to wipe my face off twice. You guys are seeing me. That's probably it. My face has been wiped off twice. Not my face, but just this area right here. And I did put some concealer back on, but it really doesn't look like I did. But I did. I'm just telling you. I didn't want to go on looking any worse than I already do. Yeah. So, okay. You guys say a prayer, because you know how this went last time. It was horrendous. Oh, Lord. And I've never regretted spending this much money in my entire life. I don't even remember. I don't remember how much it was. It was expensive. Okay. I'm just going to pounce it right now, because I'm trying out the waters. Okay, might work. Sorry, I'm being quiet. I'm like, I can't, I'm concentrating on this. Okay, I don't think that looks too bad, actually. Let me do it on this side and see what happens. Wow. Okay. Alright. You can't even. Whoa. Oh my lord. No. Oh. That was almost a huge mistake. Another one. That would I wouldn't have. I would have thrown up everything in the air and just poof. Done. I'm out of here. I can't do that. Okay. Alright, here's. Okay, I think. I might be done with this one. It's enough, and it's got too much. Let me get on the bottom part. Get a thingamadooby. I know what I mean. Thank God. Otherwise, we'd be in a lot of trouble. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. Alright. Okay. Here we go. I forgot my eye drops. My shitty shit. I hope I'm not limited to the number of cuss words I can say. I'm sorry about that. I know I shouldn't cuss at all, but sometimes with me, it just happens. I can't control it. It just happens. Okay. Well, where do I go? Okay. Well, I took the foundation off my nose, and yeah, it's a mess. This is a freaking mess. But that's okay because you know what? It's done, and I'm gonna be able to just put these somewhere else, not here. Okay. That's okay. All right. So we're gonna put y'all on pause, and then when we come back, of course, if my mouth doesn't match my whatever, we know it's gonna happen. But at least you don't have to sit through me putting this on. So we'll try it and see.